Hi there guys, welcome to Email Autoresponder lesson number 4. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about what exactly is the Email Autoresponder list. Alright, and in order to better understand that, alright, what you need to know is this is the general flow whereby you have traffic that goes into your squeeze page, then followed by going to your respective offers that you're trying to promote as an affiliate marketer. Once this traffic enters into your squeeze page, there will be this thing called a conversion rate, which is actually your opt-in rate. That means to say, out of 10 persons who actually see your squeeze page, what is the percentage of them actually deciding to give you their email address? And once they actually provide their information to you, this information will be automatically entering into your respective email autoresponder, and in this part of the video, we are talking about Aweber specifically. However, when they enter into your email autoresponder, you must also indicate which is that particular list that you wish this particular email lead to go into. Is it the list A, list B, list C? Let me give you an example. You might actually have, for example, traffic coming from Facebook, traffic coming from Google search ads, or traffic coming from Google YouTube ads. Alright, so if you want the traffic to actually come from Facebook, you have a particular squeeze page for this one, and that is where the lead will automatically flow into this list called a Facebook leads. Alright, same for Google search. You have a particular squeeze page for Google search. You enter into this email autoresponder and enter into list B, which you can call it Google search leads, and so forth. And this is also for Google YouTube leads. Now, so without further ado, after you understand the theory, let's go straight into the practical on how to actually set up a list within Aweber. So as you guys can see here, this is my Aweber account again. Alright, I will scroll down straight into under dashboard. You see all these lists here. You can create a new list. Okay, hit on create a new list. Then will bring you to this particular page. Alright, so my company name is sayby925.com. If you don't have a website, you don't choose to put it. Alright, these are all the addresses, my physical address, which you have to put according to the law and legal requirements that every marketing email must actually put in your residential address or business address. Then I'll click next. Okay, for this list name, I'm going to call it EMSS buyers, because I actually have my own email marketing success secrets course, and there are people who actually purchase this course. So now I want to create this list and accumulate all these people who are actually buyers of my personal course. Under list description, you can just copy the whole thing, Control C, and just paste the whole thing here. Alright, it doesn't really matter. So the from name over here, this is my name, Benjamin Goh, and this is the email address that I verified with Aweber. Okay, so in the next few lessons, I'll talk about how to actually verify your personal email address with Aweber. Now, in case you're not aware of what exactly is a personal email address, you can refer to my previous playlist videos. Alright, go into my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Alright, and I have a set of Bluehost training series for you over there. And one of the videos will share with you how exactly can you use Bluehost to set up your personal email address. So click next. Alright, now this is the confirmation message and so forth. Subject line, just choose any one of them. It doesn't really matter because we're going to remove this double confirmation shortly. Okay, so I just put down here. Then start create the list. Okay, so very fast the list will be created. So now this list is under EMSS buyers, as you can see where my mouse is hovering. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is to go under list options. Okay, go under list settings. Okay, double check that this is the correct email address, contact address, so and so forth. Alright, we're going to go to confirmation message over here. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is to turn off these two things. Because if you don't turn them off, what happens is this will be considered as a double opt-in lead. Meaning to say, when this person actually give you their contact details, instead of the information going straight into your list, what happens is Aweber will actually send them a confirmation email, and they have to click on the confirmation email before they will even be available for use in your email list. Now, of course, doing double confirmation is good because it actually helps you to secure the more responsive email leads. But based on my experience, double confirmation will actually severely reduce the number of leads that you can actually have. For example, 10 person might actually give you their contact details, but maybe only 2 or 3 will actually click on this particular email to confirm that yes, I wish to subscribe to this particular list. Alright, now you might be wondering, isn't it better, Ben, The answer is no, because a lot of people generally take even 1 month or even up to 2 months or even 3 months before they even open your email. Okay, so try not to do double confirmation, then click on Save All Settings. Okay, so successfully saved the settings. You can also personalize your list with the company name, logo, if you have a website URL, email signature. You can also do social media sharing with Twitter, Facebook, so on and so forth. There are a lot of things that you can do within this list. Alright, list settings. Okay, so this is all the steps needed to create a list, and in the next lesson we're going to touch on more in terms of how exactly do you start sending your emails. Take care, guys.